Okay, welcome back. So if we take a look at our store right now, you will see that basically it's the same blank store we have. But our products are here. It's under the deals ticker. Well, this doesn't look like much of a website now, does it? I'm going to share with you what we want to do next. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to keep this front end store here for a second. I'm going to either right click or control click on menus and open up in a new tab. So right now I have a menu called main menu. Now I just want this main menu to appear on top. I don't want this to appear in the footer. So I'm going to uncheck that. Then I'm going to come over here to categories and bring in the two categories that I currently have. I'm going to click here, and add to menu. So now all I have to do is save that menu and go back to my store. So now if I either refresh this page by putting my cursor here, hitting the return key, or Command R Macintosh, or Control R for Windows, it's going to bring up my menus. So you'll now see that I have a coffee recipe menu and a store menu. If I click here for coffee recipes, you'll see it's going to bring up all the coffee recipes to our store. Now, how does that help us? Because we still have no way, if I go back to my store here, I still have no way of seeing this content on our store. Now, here's another thing you might want to consider doing. I'm going to copy this for a second. Copy the name of my store. I'm going to go back to my menu for a second. And I'm going to basically go to Pages. Actually, technically, I didn't have to copy that. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to add that front page to the menu. Now, I want this to be the first stop in my menu. And I don't want this to say online curated or yourwebsite.com. I want this simply to say home. So I'm going to come here and change that to home and save the changes. So now when I come up here and hit the refresh button, Command R, Control R for Windows, now I have a home button. So as an example, if I go and look at coffee recipes, and I want to go back home, but again, this is not looking much like a website. So in our next video, I'm going to share with you how to start turning this into a website. A professional looking website, easy, breezy, one step at a time. So stay tuned.